Okay, ready? Ready? Let's try the skip. 3, 2, 1, action. Kia ora. Kia ora whānau. No mai ki mokotini rua malo rua te kai marima.
Morena whānau. Here my brother Bo. We're back on the Allies grind. So this YouTube video is going to be about us selling the Allies giwas. We're just setting up now. This is where we're at. We're in Hamilton at the Globebox Arena. Globebox Arena. If you know where that is in H-Town, that's where we're at. We're just setting up, so yeah. Have a nohi. Set up, I change hats. Check it out. Got our piki, wallets, 4 ties. Got our other bags.
We're inside too.
Got our cowboys.
But what I realised is I didn't bring out any Māori tote bag.
We on. Alright, Whānau, we're going to take you around to some of the other stores that are here. Everyone's still sort of showing up, so everyone's not here yet. Kazi T's not here yet. Ngā here papa. Oh, they've got a whole open plan. Yeah, is it only us that's cut off?
Yeah.
How's it? Oh, I see what you're doing, eh? I see what you're doing here. Oh, yeah. Front row. Front and centre, eh? Oh, yeah. Oh, right, we'll come next to you then, eh? Tribal Roots. That's who does these teas. Oh yeah, all the kais over here. It's not that big, eh? I thought it was bigger. Well, there's not much here at the moment because everyone's still turning up. So, oh, Saul and Sands over here. That's who does the bros. That singlet there. Bros, that's Saul and Sand. Yeah. Or I'll send them a message and go, hey, why aren't you here, bro? You running on Ngāpuhi time. Hey, the breeze on. Oh, bro, they got all the tonga. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna get my baby one. Just a little one for her, eh? Oh, yeah.
There's your one over there, 100 for you.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Some tonga over here. Ooh. Some rongoa over here.
Yep.
Ooh. Beauty. The brain needs to bath in it, this fella.
Hey?
He needs to bath in it.
Oh, there's some, there's mussel and fruit paint too.
Oh, true.
Yeah, that red one I'll pay.
The kiko.
Kiko ho.
Gee.
So this
For the
one.
modules.
Oh, here, kiss that one first. Put this bit under your nose and sniff, rub it in and sniff it up.
Oh, like.
Yeah. Just take the wax.
Oh.
Best sinuses, headaches, you can use it as a chest rub when you're cough.
Oh, yeah.
And rub out swelling, especially in the feet. This one here's arthritis and muscle and joint pain.
Oh, gee. Ooh, fire. Clear as. Check out these tonga whānau. Beautiful, kia ora, kia ora. Beautiful. Wow, these are cool.
Yeah, the beer brush.
So just, oh yeah, yeah. Shit. Haka, yeah. Do a bit of a vlog of the store life. What's your fella's name, Fire?
Our business name.
Yeah, yeah.
Māori by Design.
Māori by Design. And then this is us, our lies. Next to us we got that bros. Oh, boutique. Reka, reka. Beautiful. Got the Kazi tea over here. Everyone's slowly coming in, slowly getting sorted. Yep. Now we're just waiting, probably got like a half an hour before it actually kicks off. Most of the stores are all set up now. We'll go for a walk around a bit later. We all. Kapa. Right. Here we got our backpacks down here.
Yeah, laptop one.
Oh yeah, aye. Kia ora, kia ora.
Got
All of those. All one.
Those are 180, I believe.
It's me.
They're usually like 2 something online. You have the. Yep, these ones, bro. So this is what I got on. Aye. So they're 60 centimeters. Yeah, same. Kia ora, kia ora. Like $50 anything on here, my sis. Hey.
I've got like the bag, the hat, the
Yep.
wallet. I'm like, what else?
Yeah, what else? We got our luggage bags. So they're like the luggage ones or our backpacks.
Now my boss has got the luggage bag. I'm now we can't get
Yeah. Oh, smaller. So I was thinking, you're talking about the kura. These will be good for them to have a tutu, if they're a bit artistry. That's what I was talking to my cousin about. I was like, bro, these will be mean to, grab a vivid, have a tutu on it. They can sort of create their own hat. Yeah. That was probably our biggest sale so far. And it's only 1:15. That was heaps out. That was like, here, let me show you. There was 2 of these luggage bags. They got about 3 other. How much more backpacks do we got out? Oh, the bro's doing his own vlog too. True, bro. True. Well, that's the sale life, whānau. On. What did you decide? Hey! That one? Right.
that
long duffel bag
Oh, yeah.
and that square handbag.
Okay. Che mga balas. Bro, 50 hakas. Yeah, 50 hak. Anything on here? All our port ties as well.
The old mumsy.
Alright, that's the one. Go get the permission slip, cuz. Yeah, cuz, hard.
Hey, wait.
Yeah, cuz, yeah. Afterpay too, cuz, if you wanna head down that route.
That's dangerous.
You wanna grab one of the wallets? Cuz. Got you a little case as well, my bro. Food, flash. Yeah, they're beautiful, eh? Yeah, say less.
That one and this one.
Yep, that one.
So you're gonna have a big head like this fella around.
Yeah, that's too big. Makas. Grab the black one. Yeah, bro. Artsy. Where's the F-boss or cash? Ah, shot my brothers. Here, you on one now. Jump in. Thank you, brother. Appreciate it, my bro. Good to meet you, cuz.
You too.
We'll see you around here anyway. We're here. Phew, I know people in Tainui too. Hey. Kia ora, kia ora. Kia ora. Alright, we got some like satay chicken. Oh. Oh. Those beat all those bloody ones on the street, isn't it? It's currently 2:30 now. We've been going for what? Hour and a half. Pumping. Traffic slowly coming through, So at the moment on stage is all like the kohanga kids, I'd say. Smashing it. Alright, whānau, we are, what's the time? About 3:15. So about, what, two and a bit hours deep. Smashing it. Easy. The kohanga kids have been going hard. But you definitely meet some like interesting characters. Interesting characters on this mahi. Different types of people.
And don't get the raw fish out, they put avocado in it.
The bro was filthy. The bro was filthy when he got his raw fish and there's avocado in it. I don't know the difference because I don't eat raw fish, but apparently it's not a good combo. It's not the tahi. Bro was absolutely filthy after that. But yeah. Check back in within an hour or so and then that's us. Sure.
Anyone?
Yeah.
You just gotta hurry up, it's about to explode in like 30 seconds. Which one? Okay, you started.
Ready?
Has to be loud too. Has to be loud.
Nah, don't you dare do kapa
Nah,
tea.
don't you dare come up till you get nothing. You give me money.
It's gonna expire. It's expiring. Yeah, grab one. Check the size out.
Check the size. Check the size.
Oh, I just want me a free hand.
Good size. Hey. Well, I found it. Here we got the local fire.
Nah, don't eat it.
Oh, I went to go buy a pounamu from them and she was crying. Why were you crying? Well, what was the reason?
Someone called me fire.
She didn't like that apparently. She's too young to be a fire.
You know what? If I'm getting called fire by you, you're getting called furu.
Oh, true. I thought it was bad me getting called matua. Well, what are you up to? What's your fellas mahi over there?
We're supposed to be packing down, but we still got a little bit more customers. Yeah.
Should have been quicker, eh? Backing down. We're gonna get everyone to call her fire tomorrow. Everyone that comes to the house, I'm gonna send them over there to fire. What was your name? Fire
Ashley.
Fire Ashley. Kia ora. Kia ora, Fire Ashley. Oh, here comes another fire.
Don't say fire Ashley, she'll actually be my ass.
Oh yeah.
That one. Kia ora.
Kia ora. What's your ingoa?
Ko te tia tokenga.
Phew, are you a fire or?
Hey, can I Matua. Nah.
Oh yeah. Matua. Matua even.
Anyways, peep the hat.
Alright, kia ora. Kia ora.
That's my hat. That's my hat. Sid.
What?
Okay, ready?
Wokotini.
Ready, let's
Yep.
try this game.
Good.
3, 2, 1, action. Kia ora. Kia ora whānau. Nau mai ki Wokotini, rua malo, rua te kai marima. Ko
Phew.
hui ataku ingoa, ko haki sia tēnei.
Uyo.
He kai mai tātai ki te...
Māori butterfly.
Ai. Ko mata ki kona.
Kia ora.
And... Ai.
Vai ona.
Anei te pōtau.
Alright. Te allies.
Ai.
Hey.
Check out the brand.
He's back tomorrow.
Ai.
Hey. Bright and early, eh?
Anyways, ka kite koutou i te day 2.
Hey,
Ka
two.
kite.
Hey,
Ka
a
kite.
popo.
Hey, a popo. Wait.
Yeah.
Ai.
Yeah, okay, do some money now. Right, whānau, it's pack up time now. 6:15 and I think it closes at 6:30. So we're just clearing all our stuff. Get to leave it here for the night because it's fully secured. Security come in and out. And yeah, I think this will be the last of the secondary groups. There's about 3 or 4 that performed today. So yeah, pack up all our stuff and then go home for a kai and a moi and then we're fit to go again. Fit to guk. With me and my mobster bro. This fella hates that, huh? Alright. Just finished watching the last group live. We shut up shop early, me and the bro. And yeah, what do you reckon of last group?
Yeah, they're alright.
Not bad, eh?
Yeah, not bad.
We couldn't film because you're not allowed to film in there. But yeah, ka pai. Ka pai to kapa. More Tainui ahau. Hey, we're in the king country.
Oh, cool.
Everyone's coming out now. Hey. Not bad, not bad. Right, we're going home for a kite and a sleep. We out. Everyone else is out too.